Alright guys, welcome to the GOBI challenge. We have 1 hour to knock off as many GOBIs as we can. It's going to be Team Python Bassin, the Ottawa guys versus us, Luke and I, representing Kingston. Let's go kick some butt. Alright, so I'm going to show you guys what I'm starting with. I stepped up my game this year. I got some tungsten hooks and some little jigs. So this one here is a little lunker hunt. And it's tungsten, so hopefully it'll plunge down faster, smaller hook. And then if this is buried in the weeds, just above it is another tungsten jig that hopefully will help it plunge down there faster. I'm going to put a worm on this, and this will be my setup for this Royal Rumble challenge.
The time has come, 1 hour on the timer, and go! There we go, you guys heard it. Away team versus the home team, let's do it.
Cast and drag is going to be my method. Come on, where are you? There we go. Ah, perch. Not the targeted species. Gonna have to be quick on the reloading the bait, so we're not spending too much time out of the water and much time in the water. There we go. Can this be it?
Hey!
Yeah, first GOBI.
Team hometown, first GOBI on the bar.
Woohoo! On the top hook.
Good job, Andre.
There we go. Let's get back out there. It's not glory this too much, but like I said, against that back wall where I was getting all those bites last time, so if I can get way back there. Juice.
Oh yeah, when I squeezed it, it popped and the juice went right in my eye.
Nice. Mr. Long Ear.
Yay!
There we go, another friggin' one. Luke just caught his first.
That's my first GOBI of the challenge.
There we go. Kingston boys are on the board. All right, guys, so if you want to see Luke's video and Python Bassin's video, you're gonna have to go down in the description box below. I'll have their links there. Go check them out. Check out their perspective on this, and you're gonna have to go see Luke's little double header over on his channel. Okay, well, I definitely found a pocket of rock bass. Not the targeted species again. These little guys, man. Come on, give me my hook. That was definitely a rock bass or a perch. They're just hitting them hard.
Even getting to a basic GOBI challenge here, Kingston versus Ottawa.
Feeling the heat.
Feeling the heat, not only the 30 degrees, but that burn coming hot. Oh, look at that GOBI.
Oh, dude, totally black. So cool.
That is a cool ass GOBI right there.
Cast after cast. Is this a GOBI? Oh yeah, adding a GOBI to the bucket.
Oh, K-Town boys are eating it up.
Found the pocket. Picking them off, homie. challenge just to keep the bait on the hook today. That perch are just hungry. There you go. Bytown got their first goby. So we found a little pocket here. I was doing the cast and drag method, but right now we found that little pocket and we're just going to keep hitting them. There we go. It's been a while. There we go. Oh no. There goes my tungsten jigs. In the last 10 minutes too. Oh no.
I have another rod sitting right there, Andre. Grab my other rod.
You do?
It's got a float bobber on it, but just slide it up so you don't need it or you can use it.
Okay. I didn't come bring with 2 rods this time because I didn't want to fool around with another rod, but this is why you bring 2 rods. All right, guys, less than 10 minutes left. Broke off. Luke gave me a Hail Mary pass here, gave me his other rod. Let's try and bring this in for the Kingston crew.
Oh, look at the size of that.
Jeez, there you go.
Surprised nobody's got a drum yet.
Good size sunfish. No, actually, a bluegill, long-eared. Beautiful specimen. Swallowed it. Boom.
5, 4, 3, 2, 1.
Oh, it's a rock bass. All right, guys, that's it for the competition. Let's go do our count. Let's go get the big camera out. And let's go see who won this competition.
That's my bucket.
Okay.
Mine's pretty much
I'm
the
just
same,
gonna.
so.
I'm just going home.
Want to pour them in there?
Yeah, right. You guys ready?
Oh my god! I should have brought a box of tissue with me, guys.
All right, what a fun little challenge in these dog days of summer. It's really hot out, and for an hour I think that was pretty cool. It was pretty intense actually.
Oh yeah.
Tiny little fish can bring out the biggest competition out of you, so.
You add in a timer and representing your hometown.
Oh my
The
God.
pressure was on.
Oh, yeah.
Big time, big time.
So let's see what the Ottawa boys brought.
All right, guys. We brought the heat.
Oh, they
I
brought
heard
the
a
heat.
lot of smack talking at the
There's
beginning
a
while they
lot
were
of
tying
smack
lines.
talk,
So.
and we brought her home.
All right. We
One.
got 1, 2,
2.
and 3.
And 3.
We got 3 guys.
Well, you know, we do have hometown advantage, so we'll give you that, all right?
Yeah.
Yep.
All right, so let's see what we got in ours. We'll count them in 2s. 2.
Oh, you got 3 there.
Oh, 3, 4, 5, 6,
Yeah.
8, 10,
We're definitely
12,
not doing so hot,
Yikes.
guys.
14, 16, 18, woo-hoo-hoo, 20. They're falling off the
Don't even
plate.
fit.
22. 22 gobies, guys.
Does anyone have a box of tissues or what?
Boom.
Congratulations, boys.
Good competition.
Good job, boys.
Not only did we do good for the population of gobies here, but we had a little bit of fun. And there's a cormorant in the background, so I think we'll go feed him.
It's going to be a good day for him.
Yep.
All right, guys. Thanks for tuning in. This was an epic friggin' little video. Be sure to subscribe to their channels. We'll catch you guys in the next upload.
Hit that like button.